Now we are doing LO4, risk financing. So as a norm, we start by knowing the lesson objectives. You must be able to know what is risk financing. You must be able to know what is self-insurance, deductibles, captive insurance companies. So let's go straight. We have the techniques of risk financing, which are self-insurance, deductibles, and captive companies. And so, like I said, if we can go back, risk financing itself is about finding a way to cover for the losses, finding a way to set up the money aside to cover for the losses. So the three techniques that we have: self-insurance, we can insure ourselves. We set aside the money in case something happens, then we'll be using that money to deal with the risk. So that's self-insurance. What do you gain by self-insurance? The advantages of self-insurer. As an organization, you can save costs because you are ready for the risk before it happens. Then you can have a plan in advance. You can have a better workplace whereby you, because normally when you do self-insurance, it means you don't want risk. You find a way to make sure there are ways to cover that. Then faster settlements. Then disadvantages are exposure to poor loss experience, because when we have the risk, the money set aside, it means you can waste it. There should be some procedures. Then taxes also can affect you. So those are the then captive insurances. There are those which an organization can create as a separate company, but normally done by big organizations to solve this the losses. So there is nothing much to talk about in this. So you should be able to know the risk financing